Welcome to the channel! Imagine talking to a computer just like you talk to your best friend. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's already here, thanks to something called large language models. In this video, we'll unlock the power of these models in a beginner-friendly way. So what exactly is a large language model, or LLM for short? Think of it as a super smart text prediction system. Just like when your phone guesses the next word in a message, LLMs do the same thing, but on steroids. They've been trained on massive amounts of text from books, articles, and the internet to understand patterns in human language. Now, why are LLMs such a big deal? Unlike older AI systems that can only handle specific tasks, LLMs are flexible. They can write essays, create poems, answer tough questions, translate languages, and even help code. They're like the Swiss Army knife of AI. Let's take a quick trip back in time. The idea of teaching machines to understand language started decades ago. Early models were simple. They could only handle short patterns. Then came breakthroughs like word embeddings, which helped computers understand words in context. Fast forward to 2017. A paper called Attention is All You Need introduced transformers, and boom! The age of LLMs began. Okay, so how do they actually work? At their core, LLMs are giant pattern recognizers. They break down sentences into tokens, basically chunks of words, and then use billions of parameters to guess what comes next. It's like having a friend who's read every book in existence and can guess the next line of any story. Here's a fun analogy. Imagine a chef who has read thousands of cookbooks. They might not have tasted every dish, but by seeing all the recipes, they can come up with their own creative dishes. Similarly, LLMs don't understand like humans, but they remix patterns in powerful ways. Training an LLM is like sending a student to the biggest school ever. They study billions of words, adjusting their neural connections every step of the way. This requires supercomputers, tons of electricity, and months of training. The result? A model that can write, chat, and think in surprisingly human-like ways. So, where are LLMs used today? Everywhere! Chatbots like ChatGPT, voice assistants, automated customer support, content creation, programming help, scientific research, and even creative storytelling. The applications are endless. The benefits are huge. They save time, boost creativity, and make advanced knowledge accessible to anyone. Imagine students getting personalized tutors, businesses streamlining tasks, or artists co-creating with AI. The opportunities are endless. But of course, nothing is perfect. LLMs can make mistakes, generate biased responses, or even confidently provide wrong information. They don't really know things, they just predict text. Plus, they require massive amounts of data and energy to train. What's next for LLMs? Expect models that are faster, more accurate, and better at reasoning. Researchers are working on making them more efficient, less biased, and safer. The future might even bring AI systems that combine language, vision, and reasoning, like super smart digital assistants. We can't forget the ethical side. How should we use this technology responsibly? Who owns the data? How do we prevent misuse? These are big questions, and society will need to work together to find the answers. So, how can you start using LLMs today? Play around with tools like ChatGPT, use AI writing assistants, or explore AI coding helpers. Just remember to fact-check and use them as creative partners rather than ultimate authorities. Large language models are transforming the way we live, learn, and create. They're not magic, but they are one of the most powerful tools of our time. And the best part? We're only at the beginning of this AI journey. So stay curious, experiment, and keep unlocking the power of words. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this beginner's guide to large language models, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you want to learn next. Until then, keep exploring the future.